Hello.
Wagwan.
Wagwan my yacht.
Wagwan my yacht.
Me there my yacht.
Me there my yacht.
You got school my yacht.
You got school my yacht.
Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day in JA. In France, that is, exactly. It is cold this morning, it's freezing. It's so cold, right? Right, Ty? It's cold? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, it's cold, my yacht. I'm going to drop my boy to school. Oh, the sun. I'm gonna drop my boy to school, and Princess is home with Papa. So that's what we're doing right now. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. Believe in yourself. Let nobody tell you that you can't do something that you really set your mind out to do. You got this, girl. Go and crush today and make it a good day. Yes, Ty?
When it's lunchtime.
Louder, speak up.
When it's lunchtime and at school everybody is doing different things.
Everybody's doing different things?
Yes, because me, I'm at school. You're cooking. Papa is waiting. And Sarah is playing.
Right. That's okay. Everybody are their own people, right?
Yes.
Right. So you're gonna have a good day at school today, right?
Yes.
And you're gonna listen to your teacher?
Yes.
And you're gonna share with your friends?
Uh-huh.
Oh, you can't share because of coronavirus, right? Right. And you're gonna eat up all your lunch?
Yeah.
And you're gonna write and cut and color like Mama taught you how to?
Yeah.
Right.
And I will tell something.
Speak up loudly.
Is that yesterday when I was at gathering and I was eating, there was an alarm.
There's an alarm?
Yeah.
What kind of alarm?
I don't know because right away 2 police came.
Oh, okay. I don't know what that was. So the teacher didn't tell you what it was?
No, he didn't.
It wasn't a fire drill?
I don't
No?
know.
Okay. Alright. Tell Faith, see you guys later.
See you guys later. Bye. Later, my yacht.
Her. Say hi. 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 Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Ma, ma, ma.
Hi. 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 Say hi. Blow them kisses. Blow them kisses. Mwah! Good girl. Good girl. Say I am tired and I am going for a nap. Baby, you missed that. I'm going for a nap. Say bye-bye. See you after nap. Tell Faith the battery finish on you. The battery finish on you? You ready for your nap? Nap, nap. Nap, nap. Nap, nap. Hi. 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 Yes, lots of talking. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to put her down for a nap right now because she's tired. Wow, babe is having lunch over there. Hold on, I haven't seen you all morning. Say hello.
Hi guys.
But Sarah peeking around the camera. She loves the camera because she loves seeing herself. You just want to look at yourself? Your pretty self? You just want to look at your cute self? Just like that? Hmm? Oh, you're so cute. You finished looking at yourself? Let's go now. You guys can see half of my husband behind me. So, I got a package in the mail that I bought online for Tyler's Christmas. And I'm going to show you guys because I know Tyler will not see this video until... He won't see this video anyhow because he doesn't watch the vlog. So I can show you guys, and I'm showing you guys because you guys might want to also get this for your kids for Christmas. So you guys know that Tyler is obsessed with Jamaican patois. And I bought a patois doll for Sarah's birthday from zuridolls.com, and they also sell the patois talking beer, which is unisex. So I got it for Ty, and he's so excited. And I remember one day he asked me, Mama, when are you going to get a patois beer for me? Because I think I had shown it to him once and he died with laughter. So I know that when Tyler sees this beer come Christmas, he's gonna be in heaven. The lady who owns Zuri Dolls is Jamaican. Her name is Saffron. So Sarah loved her Toya, her talking doll. I think Tyler loves Toya more than Sarah. But Sarah don't really at the age where she grasps things as yet. So Saffron also sent a waist bag for Sarah. This is the newest Zuri product, and this is just some baby waist and kids waist bag. Can you imagine looking at Sarah wearing this? How cute she's gonna be. So Sarah, she sent a free Zuri bag for Sarah. I did not pay for this. So here is Tyler beer. I won't pull it out the package, but I'm showing you guys what it looks like. What's his name again? I don't remember his name off the tip of my head right now, but I'm gonna see if I can find where he talks and press it so you guys can hear what it sounds like. Oh my god, Tyler is gonna die. Tyler is gonna be in love with him. Listen, he won't leave Tyler bed. Look at his little hat. He have a Rasta vibe going on. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think the battery is off while we can't hear him. So I'm gonna open the back, turn on the battery so you guys can hear. Oh my gosh. It don't have any battery. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to put battery in it. There's a note. There's a note in the... Okay, you guys, it doesn't come with any battery in it, but there's a space for it to put battery. Okay, the instruction here tells the battery installation. This is him. If I don't come, I have to come back to let you guys hear what he sound like. But I'll leave the link down below in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check out Zuri Dolls. I'm going to come back. I'm gonna find battery, come back and let you guys hear what him sound like. All right, you guys, I find two battery. It says that he have control on both legs and both hands.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm a man. That means respect in Jamaica. Did you know
You guys can hear, it does speak Jamaican patois, and it's really cool.
You're my best friend enough. Give me a hug, my lovely. Let's count. 1, 2. Ironman. That means respect in Jamaica. Did you know that Jamaica is a beautiful island in the Caribbean?
Alright, you guys, so there you guys have it with Tyler Little Rasta. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description box for you guys, and you guys can go ahead and purchase anything that you want over at Delaveaus. Support your Jamaican girl, even if you're not Jamaican and you want a taste of the Jamaican culture. Delaveaus lit. Delaveaus have everything for you and your kids to get a little taste of the Jamaican culture. But yeah, there you go. It's even for adults. If you're adults and you want to keep that Jamaican culture alive around you, there we go. You can order this for yourself. You guys, I'm in the kitchen. You see me looking all confused. This is because I'm doing 1,000,001 things at the same time. I am doing 1,000,001 things at the same time. Right now, I am about to make... Okay, let me tell you guys all the things that I'm doing. I'm making Sarah lunch and dinner for a few days. Then I'm making dinner for ourselves, and then I'm also going ahead and make some oats muffin. So your girl is busy. Sarah food already cooked, it just need to blend. Dinner is cooking, almost finished. You guys, I make this oats muffin so much, you guys should know how to make this by now. But if you don't, the recipe and the method is over on my food channel at Mel's Kitchen Jamaica. Guys, job here is done. Lunch and dinner. Fish to fry just before dinner. Broccoli is done cooking, and quinoa is done cooking, and I have a few minutes leave to go on my oven. Jeez, my mirror need to clean, it's dirty. Can't see nothing, can't see a thing. When your camera show you up, no sir, goodie. No sir, goodie. Alright, goodie, that better, goodie. Yeah. Can't see me now. Guys, as I'm on my way to go pick up Tyler, I have to show you guys the sunset. How beautiful is that? So pretty, so pretty, beautiful. Look who is pushing his sister. He loves to do that. Come on, go, 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 go. Oh, you're going too fast now. La 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 la. Oh, look at this cat. Oh, look at this cat. Oh my God. Ah! Look at the cat. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't want to pass. Ah, he's gone. He's gone. Come.
Mama, can we do the same thing? But this time I won't turn on.
Go. Go. Oh, I must go.
I'm walking.
Okay.
One little bit close. Like
Okay. Come. You're tricking me.
again.
Crap we do when we're walking home from school.
Like you. I won't trick you.
Come.
Mama, this time I won't trick you.
Come, I'm ready to go. Let's go. Come. Alright, you guys. There goes a shot of my plate dinner. And there goes a shot of babe. And there goes a shot of... Why your face look like that? Mine. Say hello to the faves.
Hello.
You're back from school and into the plate. Why your face look like that? You're a hot mess. What's wrong? Tell us, stop it. What?
Not false. Let's see. At school, he did only veggies.
What happened?
At school, I think say only veggies.
At school, your friend did Betty's?
Yes, he said only not veggies. But you know what he said?
What he say?
He said that in the United States it don't exist.
Say what doesn't exist?
The United States.
That's what he said?
Yes.
Tell him that's not true. So he tell you that the United States doesn't exist?
Yes.
And you're sad?
Yes.
But you know that's not true.
Yes, but I just cry at school because he said that.
You cry?
Yes.
Why you cry?
And just another thing is that I'm blessed that we can't go there because there will be coronavirus all time because but there is not.
Yes, there is coronavirus in the United States. You can't go there now.
Say that.
You say what?
That there is not coronavirus all the time and every day.
I don't understand what you're saying.
I think that there's not. You think that there's coronavirus every day.
Yes, for now it is every day.
But I'm talking
It will go away one day.
about that the coronavirus will stay.
It won't stay. We'll go away one day.
And then we can go.
So you cry because he tell you that there's no United States and you cry for that?
Yeah.
No, you don't cry for that because you know it's the truth. That's why you hurt. But you don't cry for that, okay?
You see hurt instead of saying cry.
Yeah, I said, yeah, because he hurt your feelings, so you cry. You guys, you hear what's going on? Tyler said he cried at school today because his friend told him that United States doesn't exist. And he knows that it exists, so he cried. My boy, you don't have to cry for that, okay? Alright, eat up. You guys, so this is how I store my muffins, and whenever I want them, I just take one and warm it like 30 seconds in the microwave, and they're good to go.
Wagwan.
It's only me and my boy tonight. Sarah's off the bed and baby's sleeping, literally sleeping, because babe is not feeling well. Earlier in the day today, he said his stomach wasn't feeling well. And then after he finished working and had dinner, he still didn't feel well. He said he felt like he wanted to vomit, and his stomach wasn't feeling well. Maybe he's picked up a bug or something, I don't know.
Mama.
So he's literally sleeping. So Tyler and I gonna end the vlog.
Mama.
Yes, Dad.
Which one of the Jamaican expression behind my hand I can do?
Anyone, just choose. So Tyler and I gonna end it with the Jamaican expression. Alright. Read.
River water.
River water. Say river water.
River water.
Mean the water in the river. The water that comes from the river.
The water from the river.
Exactly. Alright, read one more.
Ring and ling.
Ring and ling. Read that again.
Ring and ling.
Okay, cover the meaning and let me see it. Ring and ling. Cover what it means and let me see it. Where is it?
Yeah.
Ring and line.
Ring and line.
Ring and line. Ring and line. I don't know what that means. Ring and line. Ring and line. I have no idea what that means. I don't know.
Just guess.
Ring and line. R-I-N-G. Spell it. R-I-N-G.
R-I-N-G espace E-N
Espace in English is space.
R-I-N-G space E-N space L-I-N-E.
Ring and line. It's the first I hear that Jamaican expression. You guys comment down below and tell me if it's the first you're hearing that Jamaican expression and what it means. Ring and line. Ring and line. Ring and line. Ring and line. I'm going to say to squeeze some clothes out and put it on the line to dry. That's the only thing I can think of.
It
Okay,
means
read the meaning.
a rumble game. A rumble game.
Read again.
A rumble
No.
game.
Read again. Look at the word.
A rumble.
No, it's M. M-A-R.
But there's a A.
A.
Rumble.
No. A. M-A-R. What is M-A-R?
Marble game.
So what is the meaning?
A marble game.
Okay, so it's a marble game. I've never heard of it. Ring and line. Never heard of it. That's a good one. So I've learned something. Ring and line. It's a marble game. Alright, you guys. So there you have the Jamaican expression for today. Now it's your turn to give Mama the French expression or French word for today. What's the French word for today?
Yes.
Sit up. Sit up properly. What's the French word for today?
Monsieur.
Monsieur means Mr.
Yes. And Mr. means man.
Exactly.
So that means man.
Sit up. Sit up. Alright, you guys. So there you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you want to. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Today.